Most excavator bucket accidents happen because someone skipped a safety step. Today, we're breaking down the essentials every operator and dealer needs to know to stay safe on the job site. This is what we refer to as an area around the excavator where the bucket can swing, curl, or drop unexpectedly. Keep people out of the bucket's danger zone, and if you're standing in that space, you're at risk of serious injury. Crowded job sites and tight deadlines don't change this. Safety comes first. Make it a hard rule on your sites. It's dangerous work to change pins on a bucket. The pins are heavy, and one wrong move can crush a foot or break fingers. You should never work alone when changing bucket pins. Always try to use lifting equipment like forks whenever possible. You should always be wearing steel-toed boots, and keep in mind it's easy to pinch your fingers or possibly break them when you're aligning the holes. So remember to keep your hands clear as much as possible and watch what you're doing carefully. Couplers save time, but if they fail, lives are at risk. Always follow multi-step release process and never bypass safety mechanisms. At WorkBrow, our D-Lock couplers meet ISO safety standards for a reason. If an operator doesn't know the release sequence, they shouldn't be changing buckets. It's really critical that you fully curl the bucket low and level to the ground before starting your release procedure. Daily inspections prevent accidents. Look for cracks around the ears, worn pins, loose bolts, and belly damage. And never overload your bucket. Check your machine's rated capacity. Overloading creates tipping hazards and damages equipment. Before every shift, you should be inspecting for cracks, securing pins, testing coupler engagement, and clearing the work zone. These are the steps that are going to save lives. We hope with this information, you'll now be able to get your job done in a way that gets everyone home to their family at the end of the day. If you want more safety tips or help choosing the right bucket, visit workbrow.com or call us today. Stay safe out there.